These lip markers are all over the internet, and I finally got my hands on the Mrucha Beauty Lush Ink Stain Marker, and I'm going to review it here with you guys. So this is like an affordable option for the Huda Beauty lip markers, and I am super excited to try this out. So let's get into it. Okay, the packaging of the product looks very like sleek and luxurious, and the shade is No Cap. Alright, so it definitely feels like a markers नहीं होते थे जिससे हम draw कर देते थे वैसा ही marker लग रहा है, and it feels weird to use this on the lips because it literally is a marker. Okay, so पहले तो मैं इसको यहाँ swatch करती हूँ. Okay, it literally looks like a marker and smells really good. It has like a chocolatey cocoa like smell, which is nice, and it doesn't move, which is great. Okay, let us just use it on my lips. Okay, ये लिटरली एक मार्कर ही लग रहा है जैसे मैं बचपन में मार्कर से अपना मेकअप कर रही हूँ. Oh my god, ऐसा लग रहा है व्हाट इफ आई मेक अ मिस्टेक, तो कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा इसको करेक्ट करना. आई एम जस्ट ट्राई ना ओवरलाइन माई लिप्स लाइक आई ऑलवेज डू. सो लेट्स सी अगर इससे वो चीज़ हो पा रही है या नहीं. ठीक है, ओवरलाइन तो हो रहा है अच्छे से, एंड द पिगमेंट इज टिल द टिप ऑफ दिस थिंगी विच इज़ ग्रेट बिकॉज बहुत ही प्रिसाइजली लाइन हो रहे हैं लिप्स. दिस इज़ वॉट has turned out. I am gonna just use my lipstick on top of this. Okay, that looks pretty. I think I am in love with this product. The only thing with this product is that you have to be like a little bit more careful while applying and lining your lips. Other than that, I think this will last you longer because this doesn't move, it doesn't budge, and it looks so like good. I think it'll look good with gloss and those sheer creamy satiny lipsticks. It'll look very good with that. I'm wearing like a soft matte lip crayon with this, and it blended in really well, as you can see. I would prefer my regular lip liners over this one, but this was a new thing, and I think I will build the love for it. So yeah, I'll try more lip combos with this one, so stay tuned for that. Bye.